We'll guide you through how to create a Notion cover image. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Notion on your desktop and navigate to the page where you want to add or change the cover image. Once you're on the page, you'll see a button at the top that says Add Cover if you don't already have one, or Change Cover if you do. Click on that button to start customizing your cover image. Notion offers a variety of default images, but you might want something more personalized. You can upload your own image by clicking on Upload an Image. This option allows you to browse your computer files and select a picture that best fits your page's theme. If you prefer using images from the web, choose the link option. Here, you can paste a direct URL to an image you found online. Just ensure the image is accessible and not behind any privacy settings for a more dynamic look. Notion also integrates with Unsplash, a free high-quality photo library. Simply click on Unsplash and type in a keyword related to the type of image you're looking for. Browse through the options and select the one you like. Once you choose or upload the image, Notion will automatically set it as your cover. You can also reposition the image by clicking on Reposition to adjust the focal point. Simply drag the image to get the perfect look for your page. Keep in mind that a well-chosen cover image can set the tone for your entire workspace. So take a moment to pick something that resonates with you. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.